students, we will learn this lesson, that is livelihood from animals. So at first I will read this. Okay, useful animals. When the early man started farming, he began to domesticate animals. Now what is domesticate? Domesticate means to keep small dogs, cats or goat. You know goat? Goat means, yes, you know everything. To keep small animals, that is pet, keeping a pet at home, or use them such as you keep a cow at home, right? Cow is very useful for us because cow give us milk. So cow is a domesticated animal. Okay, so when the early man started farming, he began to domesticate animals such as goats, cows, oxen and sheep. Sheep is domesticated animals. Sheep give us wool. Okay, we wear woolen clothes, yes or no? In winters we wear woolen clothes, so we got woolen from the sheep. They helped humans in their work. Human beings also dependent on animals for various things. Let's study more about them. So animals are useful to us by giving us milk, giving us woolen clothes, yes or no? And we can also we also eat meat, chicken we eat. So all these are the domesticated animals which are useful to us. We used to keep them at home just because they are useful to us. And the next is food. So why we depend on animals? There are different points. It is given. Food. The following foodstuffs are obtained from animals. What we get from animal, that is milk we get, eggs we get, then meat we get, then honey. Honey also we get. Honey from where we get? We get honey from the honeybee. Yes or no? And meat from chicken, goat, fish. Yes, see, fish is also there. Then eggs also we get. Milk also we get. That's why animals are very much useful to us. Okay. Then next is clothing. Yes. As I told you, sheep give us wool. Yes or no? We get wool from sheep. Wool is used to make woolen clothes. In winter we wear woolen clothes. Silkworms give us silk fibers that are used to make clothes. The fur of animals like camels and mountain goats is used for making winter clothes. Camels are also used for making clothes. Means their fur, you know fur, the hair in the body part is known as fur. So their fur is taken off from their body, and after that they are used for making clothes. Okay, then leather. Yes, leather means you wear leather jacket. Yes or no? Yes, leather is obtained from where we get? From where we get leather? We get from dead skin of animals. So when the animals die, their skin is taken off from their body, and after that they are used to make leather. So from which kind of animals we get leather? Camels, buffaloes and snakes. We get leather. Leather is used for making bags, belts, shoes, jackets, etc. Animal skin is also used for making tents for mountaineers and desert travelers. This is mountaineers, okay, and desert travelers. Then next comes medicines. Animal also give us medicines. Okay, what kind of medicines they give us? You can see here. Cod leaf oil and shark leaf oil are rich sources of vitamin A and vitamin D and are used for curing diseases caused by their deficiency. Snake venom is used as a medicine for curing snake bite. So snake venom means the poison. Okay, the poison is also used to make medicines. So we get medicines from different kind of animals. So this type of fats, these are the oil. Okay, the oil which is present inside the body of animals are known as, this oil is known as that one. Okay, cod liver oil and shark liver oil. This kind of oils are found inside the body of the animals. Okay, then next comes decorative. Decorative means decoration. Okay, means some kind of designs we make, no? That is used with that we get from the animals. Okay, tusk of elephants called ivory and used for making decorative items and ornaments. Yes, like flower, we get plastic flower, right? Plastic flower we get, then different kind of things are we get, no? So some type of ornaments and decorative items means, decorative means the things which you use, you keep at your home for decoration. Okay, ornaments means, you know, the necklace we wear, then the girls used to wear different necklaces and all are known as ornaments. Okay, corals and shells of sea. Shells means that shell, you know, you find the, if you find the words tough, then you can see it in Google. Okay, you can use the you can take help of Google, or also you can search it in dictionary. So corals and shells of sea mollusks are used for decorations. Feathers of certain birds such as peacock are used for decoration. Yes, the feather of peacock, no, it is very beautiful. The feather of peacock, you have seen, you might have seen. This is also used for decoration. We keep it home. Yes or no? So next comes jewelry. So with the help of animal skin, we also make different ornaments or jewelry. Okay, then we also get fuel. Animals dung is used as manure. Yes, animals dung is help. Animals dung help as a manure. Such as you are planting a rose plant, you are planting one. Okay, and after that, if you give there, cow dung is given there. Yes or no? Just to make the plant grow faster. So that help as a manure. Okay, animals excreta and plant waste are used to produce biogas, which is a bio-friendly domestic fuel. The next, transport. Animals are also used for transportation, like horses, bulls, camels are used for people to transport from one place to another. Yes or no? You can see in movies also that the animals are carrying people. Transport means, you know na? Transport means moving from one place to another. Bus is a means of transportation. Train, bus, all are known as transportation. Okay, yes or no? So animals are also used as transport, as a means of transportation. Okay, then next comes sports. Some animals, now sports, from where we get leather, ball and all this we get from animals. We can see here some animals are used in sports also. For example, horses are used for racing. Yes, and playing polo. Horses are useful as we use horse for racing. Yes or no? You might have seen horses running competition. So animals are also used in sports. Okay, then next comes, in our previous lesson we learned that the tribal people, right? The tribal people depend on the forest. Yes or no? They live in forest. The tribal people mostly live in forest. So when they live in forest, they also depend on animals. Yes or no? If someone is living in forest, okay, then what they will do? They will depend on animals for food. Yes or no? How they are dependent? Okay, we will see here. Some tribal communities earn their living from animals. Gujar, snake charmers, circus artists, Madari and Mahout are some examples of such people. Gujars are dependent on animals. Then snake charmers means, you know, those who play with snake, you know, they show something with snake play. Yes or no? That kind of snake charmers, they are known as snake charmers. Then circus artist. Yes, in circus some artists take monkeys and all. Elephants also they take. So animals are very much useful to them. Then Madari means those who throw with the help of a monkey. Okay, they are known as Madari. and Mahout.